You know what racial profiling is, right? Racial profiling is any police initiated action that relies on a person's race, ethnicity, or national origin rather than their behavior or information directly linked to criminal activity. The practice is illegal, violating the 14th Amendment's equal protection guarantee. Well, since June, the Trump administration has used roving patrols of armed, masked federal agents to carry out immigration sweeps. The agents have detained people for questioning about their legal status, targeting apparent day laborers at Home Depot parking lots and workers at places like farms, car washes, and construction sites. Civil rights organizations and several U.S. citizens who had been stopped and questioned filed a lawsuit seeking class action status. They accused the federal agents of engaging in blatant racial profiling by carrying out indiscriminate immigration operations with no individual basis for suspicion. Well, as many of you know, the Supreme Court just recently allowed racial profiling as it relates to immigration. The Supreme Court overturned a federal judge's order that had prohibited federal agents in Los Angeles from stopping people and questioning them about their immigration status based solely on factors like their ethnicity, and are allowing agents to continue with Southern California raids targeting people for deportation based on their race, language, or language in a ruling its liberal justices said makes Latinos fair game to be seized at any time. For now, federal agents in Los Angeles carrying out the immigration crackdown can continue to decide which people to stop and at least briefly detain for questioning based solely on one or a combination of four factors that a lower court judge had deemed unconstitutional. People's apparent race or ethnicity, the fact that they speak English with an accent or speak Spanish, their presence at particular locations like farms or pickup sites for day laborers, and the type of work they do. Justice Sonia Sotomayor stated that the administration has all but declared that all Latinos, U.S. citizens or not, who work low-wage jobs are fair game to be seized at any time, taken away from work, and held until they provide proof of their legal status to the agent's satisfaction. California Governor Gavin Newsom denounced the court's decision, saying Trump's hand-picked Supreme Court majority just became the grand marshal for a parade of racial terror in Los Angeles.